close your eyes for a second. Imagine you wake up tomorrow morning, but something is deeply, deeply wrong. The sun isn't rising. There's no gentle breeze, no rustling leaves. Just an unnerving, absolute silence. And then, in a blink, the world ends. If the Earth slammed on its brakes and stopped spinning this very instant, everything on its surface would keep moving. That includes you, your house, your city, and the very air we breathe. The atmosphere would become a colossal, planet-wide hurricane, scouring the surface at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the most violent tornado ever recorded. Every building would be torn from its foundation. Trees would become deadly projectiles. Entire civilizations wiped off the map in seconds. But that's just the opening act. The oceans, with their immense momentum, would surge forward. Imagine mega-tsunamis, hundreds of meters tall, crashing into every single coastline on Earth. The sheer force would reshape continents, carving new canyons and drowning mountains. Land masses would merge and split, redrawing the world map in a matter of hours. After the initial chaos, a new, permanent reality sets in. One half of our planet would be locked in perpetual, scorching daylight. The other, plunged into an eternal, frozen night. On the sun-facing side, temperatures would soar, eventually becoming hotter than the surface of Venus. A blistering, uninhabitable desert where oceans boil away. On the dark side, it's the opposite. A frozen wasteland dropping to temperatures below minus 150 degrees Celsius, where the air itself would freeze and fall like snow. Life, if it could exist at all, would be confined to a narrow strip of land between these two extremes, the twilight zone. A thin ring of perpetual dawn or dusk, where the sun hangs forever on the horizon. This would be the only place with temperatures that might, just might, support life. But even there, survival is not guaranteed. As the Earth's rotation stops, its molten iron core would slow down, and our protective magnetic field would collapse. Without this invisible shield, deadly cosmic radiation from the sun and deep space would flood the planet. Our satellites would go dark, power grids would fail, and all of our technology would become useless junk. We'd be thrown back to a pre-industrial age, but on a broken, irradiated world. Could humanity survive such an apocalypse? Perhaps a few of us. We'd have to retreat deep underground, building shielded cities to protect ourselves from the radiation and extreme temperatures. We would become a subterranean species, living in a sci-fi nightmare, forever dreaming of a world that once spun, a world with sunrises and sunsets. It's a terrifying thought experiment, but it makes you appreciate the delicate balance that keeps our world alive. So what do you think? What would be the very first thing you'd notice if the Earth stopped spinning? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.